So, hi everyone. Once again, I am going to discuss the process of customer credit notes and how to do it here in our back office interface. So, the first step that we need to do here is you have to log in into your back office side. Next is you're going to select our sales module here, and then we are going to tap customer credit notes. So what is customer credit notes and what is its purpose? So the main thing of customer credit notes, it is in layman's term, we call it returns of items, returns of product. So that is the purpose of customer credit notes. So I have my sample customer here, Maria Emilia Galvez. If you wanted to change the customer, you just tap the spacebar key in your keyboard and then search the name of your customer. Next, you have an option also to select the sales type here or the sales pricing that was used during that transaction. And of course, you have to tap the item that was purchased and that they want to return to in our store. So I have my item testing one here, input the quantity that they want to return. And if there are discounts for that specific item, you may also declare based on percentile. So if there is none, just put 0 and then add item. Of course, if there is shipping fee, you can also add that one. If there is none, just tap 0. And you have to note that the credit note type here is items returned to inventory location. So this quantity will go back to my inventory quantity for this specific item. Also, you can input memos. Why do they need to return this item? Probably wrong purchase or anything that you need to write. So this is my sample. And once you're good to go, just process credit note. Automatically, this create a credit note invoice that looks like this one, where you may download it in PDF file. You can also print this one into a document sized printer. So this is how we do our customer credit notes.